a.m. So yesterday I had such a crazy trading day. So I don't know if you remember, but like I started the morning so down because the day before I lost so much money. I lost almost $1,000 the day before. But then yesterday I was like, you know, I thought I was gonna blow the account. So I was like, all right, let me just go all in. So I went all in. Basically, I did like 15 contracts, I think, either 10 or 15. I think like I took like 3 trades yesterday. But anyway, I know one of them was 15 contracts, and I won, and I was like, damn. So I made back the money I had lost the day before, and I got closer to my account. So my goal, so I'm at 51,821, and my goal is 52,500 in order to pass the evaluation stage so I can get funded. I'm on day like 45 at this point, which is crazy because it's only supposed to take 3 days to pass your evaluation stage, and I've been like going in bad, but I don't know. So I'm just doing another 15 contracts today, and hold up. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing another 15 contracts today on the MNQ, and we're gonna see what happens. So if I lose with my 15-point stop loss and 15 contracts, I'll lose 450. And you know, I take 2 trades a day, so God forbid I end up losing both of them. I'll lose like 900, but that's still not it's not terrible. I mean, it really is bad, but at this point, I can't keep going small because I have a payout I have to pay next week, and I'm like, I'm tired of paying these people all this money because I'm not passing my evaluation account because I'm going too small. I feel like I'm on contract. So let me start off. I'm deleting these old positions, these old potential entries. Let me extend this fair value gap I drew previously in case I need it today or any other day. I'm gonna extend these also because they were never inversed. I drew these manually. Okay, let's start off on today's date. Go to Forex Factory first. Today is Friday, June 5th. Oh, all red folders. I know they're red, but usually the only folder I'm looking for is the FOMC. The FOMC is a big folder that you really want to be on the lookout for. So I think I'm still gonna trade, especially since it's at 8:30. But not especially since, because really ideal would be around 10 or 11 or 12. But I think I'm still gonna trade today, and hopefully everything works out. Okay, I'm gonna delete all these old entries I still had. Going on the daily time frame. Are we bullish? Yes, we are. Looks like. Are we? Oh, we may be going in a downtrend now. Okay, so previous high is up here. Previous day high. Right here, mark that out. Previous day low is already taken out by today's candle. Today's candle is very bearish. So far, we'll see if that changes once the New York market opens. Going on the 4-hour time frame, looking for any internal key levels. I see one right here, but that's okay because it's near the fair value gap, so I don't need to mark that one out again. Same for this one. This one is already marked. Actually, this one can be removed because this candle went right through it. Well, I'll wait till, since this is a session though, I'll wait till I get to the sessions and the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so we're on the sessions one now. So this Asia high was taken out, so I can delete it. This London low was taken out, so I can delete it. And it looks like that's it. All the other ones are still valid, so I'm going to extend some of them. So these are basically going to be our key levels, areas that we can target for profit. Okay. All right, so let's mark our so this is the day before yesterday, and this is yesterday. So yesterday's Asia high and low were taken out. London high and low were taken out. Same for New York's low, but New York's high was still valid, and I guess that was where I marked previous day high, so that can remain. Today's Asia high that can be marked out right here. Asia low, it can be marked out, but we don't have to, just because we have a fair value gap there already. And plus, even if we had marked it out, it was right here, and you see this candle already went through it. So we can mark out today's London low. So we'll go there. And then today's London high, we can also mark that out. All right, so it looks like we have our entries set for today. Not entries. Okay, so we marked our session highs and lows and got rid of old ones. So now let's drop down to 30 minutes, see if we see any internal key values here. Not key values, key levels. This looks like it could be one right here. As you see, it's a bearish fair value gap, but then I have a bullish candle trying to go through it, but then it didn't close. And then especially since I have that other candle right next to it. So this line can be deleted because you see all these other candles ended up going through it. So that one can get deleted. Let's see. I don't see any more. Here's one right here, but we already marked that out. All right, dropping down to the 5 minute. Let's start to mark some potential entries for today. So we have tons of bearish fair value gaps, meaning we'll be looking to take a long. Right there. Another one right above it. Another one above that. We have a bunch. I think, yeah, you can see we have a bunch of potential entries today for longs, and you see they're all spaced out very nicely. Let's see. I'll mark this last one. Yeah, I'm not gonna mark all of them, but so those are some potential entries we have for longs, 5 of them. And let's look for shorts. Looks like we have these 2 for potential shorts. Yeah. All right, so we have our entries marked out for today. Only thing to do now is wait for the market to open and see what these candles do. And if any new fair value gaps are formed, we can look to see if we can possibly enter off any of those. So again, my account balance is at 51,821. The goal is 52,500 to pass my evaluation stage. Okay, it's 9:11. We will be back at 9:35 at the close of that first candle if it's near one of our entries. Okay, so the reason I got in that trade is because you see the candle closed right below it, and I know I said 15. I gotta get better with trusting myself. I didn't trust myself, so I only did 8 contracts. So the time I won $456.80, which is amazing. So I'm up to 52,278. So I only need $250 to pass my valuation stage. I'm doing that today. I'm telling you right now, I'm passing my evaluation today because, like I said, it's been too long already. So I'm gonna try to get in another trade today, and yeah. But you know what? Honestly, okay. So here's the thing though, because I made so much money yesterday, I'm not within my consistency rules. So I honestly don't know if it'll let me pass, even if I make the 2,500 at this point, because I did not maintain that 40% consistency level. And that's basically, they want to make sure that you don't just like have a random good day like I had yesterday, which was over 1,000. And it wasn't just random, it's because I did more contracts than usual. So I think that may end up coming back to haunt me. I don't know, but today I'm definitely passing this 250. So we're gonna get in later if we get another entry and see where it goes from there. Okay, so I got into. Oh, that was fast. Okay, so I got to stop out. Yeah. So I got stopped out, but it's okay because I still took profit because what I did was I would have. It's because I moved my stop loss. That's why. Okay, it's okay. I didn't lose any money because I did it so that I wouldn't lose. All right, so I'm still gonna look for another trade for today. Okay, I lost today, but I'm gonna go back in again. Don't kill me. Ah. Okay, it's 10 o'clock, and I told you I was getting in for my trades today, so I got it. And I kept getting in. Listen, look at the last time I got in. So last one I got in, I won. Look where my account balance is now. $52,499.30. What do I need to pass? $52,500. I'm 70 cents short. How did I 70 cents? Are you freaking serious? Okay, so I'm gonna look for one more entry today, and I'm gonna say I had moved my contract to the 10. I'm gonna move my contract to like one contract. I need 70 cents. 70 flipping cents. Okay. All right. I will log back on when I get another entry. I hate that I didn't get the last trade, but okay, so today I made 677.90 total. Oh, okay. I did it. $52,508.90. I have officially passed my valuation stage. Whoop, whoop. Your girl did it. All right. I just hope now when I go on Tradovate that it doesn't show something different. But oh my gosh, that was yeah, crazy. All right. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.